School administrators in St. Anne are raising concern about glitches in the rural school bus system that should be urgently addressed if the system is to benefit the majority of students in the parish. They've cited logistical issues and the need for better coordination with school principals. Kelisha Williams has the story.
The rural bus system is a welcomed relief for students in St. Anne. Many of them who live outside the parish usually have to fork out $15,000 monthly for transportation. But now, at least until November, they can travel for free.
For me, that's a big boost. When they start to pay, which I think is in November, it will work out to $2,000 per month for transportation.
And it also means improved punctuality and attendance and a reduction in loitering across the major towns.
By the bus come, everybody move. So we don't have no hold up again. This little crime thing we have, we want to stop. So this is a big move. This is a move. I love this.
However, there are some concerns. For principal of the York Castle High School, Raymond Treasure, the current arrangement is not sustainable.
In the sense that a student who traveled from, say, Runaway Bay, there's no guarantee that tomorrow or the next day they'll get on the bus, because the bus probably will leave, say, Ocherius full.
Which is why he believes there should be better consultation with the school principals to ensure those who need the service the most will benefit. Principal of the Brownstown High School, Alfred Thomas, also pointed to hiccups in the system. While he said the first bus arrived at the school at 6:50 a.m. Monday morning, he said there were no buses for the afternoon shift. And today,
but this morning, the first bus came here at about 10 minutes to 8, which meant that our students would have been late. And there were a few students in those buses. So we saw 3 buses come in within a 5-minute span, and they had fewer students than they transported yesterday. And I'm assuming the reason for that would have been the timing that they came, because the school starts at 7, so most of the students would have been here by the latest 7:30. So for a bus to be coming at 8:50, and then it would not have a lot of our students on board.
There's also a challenge in identifying the bus routes, and so
if the route for the bus can be put on the bus, at least the students and the parents would know, because I had students yesterday asking me which bus is going where, and I had to be stopping the buses to ask the drivers where they were headed. So I think that can alleviate some of the issues, and also the pickup points. So students and parents need to be aware. I'm happy when I heard the minister yesterday stating that the signs for the pickup points will be sorted out in short order.
Going forward, the school administrators believe there is another group of students who should be included in the overall system.
We may need to have something else worked out for the students who live in the deeper rural communities where these buses will not be going.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.